Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a brand voice using Copy AI's tool. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to open the Copy AI app and log into your account. And now, if you're on the free version, you'll notice that tone tools aren't here. Instead, you'll see the three main options, which are the workflows, chats, and folders. Then, since the tone tools aren't available, we'll use workflow to create our brand voice. So here, let's click the workflow. Then here, type a prompt in the prompt box like this. You can be specific about your idea, be detailed and clear. Then you can also provide example of the content that should sound and generate your prompt. Wait for the Copy AI to finish the process. And since the Copy AI generates your brand voice description and sample text, we can review it and tweak if needed. Then save it in folders so you can always keep your content consistent. And that's it. Even without a tone tools, you can still build your brand voice for free in Copy AI using workflow trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.